And we are just about ready to begin the action. Batangas City looking to bounce back against Valenzuela, also hoping to rebound from a loss to Pampanga. And we are...
Yeah, both teams coming from a heartbreaking loss. Itong Valenzuela losing big against Pampanga. Ito ng mga Batangas. Losing it. Oo. Talagang yung composition ng kanilang starters. These are defensive players. Mga role players talaga. So expect mo talaga na ang magandang na-i-establish agad nila yung defensive plan nila.
Nah, that's true. Paulo Jobalde knocks down a long-range shot. Pass to Paulo, had to adjust his shot. Valoria back the other way. Jong will pull up off the glass and in.
Waiting sa right side ng court.
Oh,
No?
ganda ng angulo sa kanya. CJ Payawal gets the bounce. Size.
Oo. And that the luxury of having a CJ Payawal in your lineup, Sadel.
In this lineup, give and go. Payawal, corner. Yes.
Good play there.
Only a 2.
If you're a Valenzuela, if you wanted to compete against the Ram Masters, talagang you need to keep that rock moving. Kasi kundi, magiging madali sa kanila yung basketball.
Seda Plaza winning his matchup against Jong Valoria, top of the key. Atake si Jong, drives left and lays it in for 2. Anong sinasabi mo, Coach Louie?
Oo naman.
Gusto niya rin sa kaliwa.
Pero galing pa rin sa kanan.
Arminion on the move. Arminion dire-diretso. Actually played for Batangas before. Yung mga greeting natin as Coach Yong Garcia, what scouting. And CJ Payawal continues to play well here. 8 points in the ball game.
Makikita mo na yung roller now. Yung roller.
JR Kenyahan gets the 2 points.
So, na-master niya na kasi na even if alam mo na sa left-hand dribble lang si Dexter, sila nakaka-attack pa rin sa kaliwa eh.
Kaya nga eh. And yung depensa niya. This first quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Amat Mika and you know, just may there's a sense of normalcy with the side of Batangas, with the way they've established them. Maganda rin naman to get to spice things up or freshen up the lineup as we take anticipation konti.
Oo.
Jobalde with up and under, off the glass and in.
Yeah, that's one is really difficult.
Sean, no good. Another opportunity para kay Mike Machon. 3-on-1 break. Ochea challenged by Manliguez.
Daryl Manliguez there.
And Dexter up in hand, the extra effort, the extra possession. And points off turnovers, Batangas 6-0. Porter from the corner. That's good. It's the biggest.
The 6-man instant production para dito kay Don eh.
And he gets a lot of baskets with his rim runs.
Again.
MJ, wala. Ochea, the left-handed finish. Inside, nakalimutan nila si John Ambuluto.
A great find there from De La Virgen. Pero, stuck.
No, what a pass.
It's a 16-2 run sila. Ang taas yun. Mataas yun.
Full denial here. Montuano has to go in by himself and lays it in for 2.
With a hop step there, attack.
Valoria knocks down the 3. Yakap, layup is good. Quick attack para sa Valenzuela.
2 for 1.
41 to 28 rather. Baloria, one more. Yes!
Again, we talk about that hold sila sa Delph.
There's always a time na they'll put points on the board really quick. And CJ Payawal, just in the nick of time. The end of the first half score is brought to you by GameX, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPB. Binigay kay CJ Payawal. CJ, the crossover, three-pointer, yes! Magsak si Mike Machon.
Plus some foul on Mark Cruz.
Inside, Payawal puts it in, plus the foul.
Good pass.
Nice pass to Muhammad, and the finish. Alexander Muhammad.
Third quarter sa Delph.
Inside they go. Machon, turnaround shot is good.
Then who made that play again possible?
Nothing run for Valenzuela. Baloria. Isip with a runner, that's good. The birth of their second baby, Cam, a few days ago, as Cruz gets the 2 points plus the foul.
And
usually, makikita natin si King importante dyan eh. Isip with a steal. Oh, CJ Isip. What a finish up top.
So bench points. Kasi they started the third quarter with the same 5 na nag-start ng game.
Oh, nice move. CJ Payawal. Jose De Los Santos, Daryl Manliguez. Atake si Daryl, banks it in. Natindi doon, nakatalikod siya nung tumalon eh. De La Virgen to Ablaza. Three-pointer, yes. 1-1 against Lapinan. De Los Santos. Mike De Los Santos is a bucket getter. Manliguez, atake. Daryl up top.
Always an highlight if you finish.
Tuano, Porter, wala. Ochea, left hand. Ba't may stat?
Batangas will capitalize.
Like kanina, dumikit sila ng 4. Medyo na-excite sila. Montuano, free throw line jumper is good. 6 points para kay Mark Montuano. Asuncion will fire. Yes!
Yeah, JC will not take that much of a shot.
His third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Ramirez with a jumper. That's good. Alam ko yung so,
yung first group mo ba, yung second group? And sa takbo nitong larong to, it is their second group na nagdi-deliver ng goods for them.
Big shot. But Manliguez. Montuano, jumper is good.
Nagkaiba yan sa gumagwardya ka sa 3-point shooter.
Nice pass. All of a sudden, Mark Montuano finding himself free. Hangs in the air. That won't drop. Ochea using the right hand.
12 points already in the game for Don Ochea, plus 7 rebounds.
71 to 57. Manliguez inside to Montuano. Nice fake. And 10 puntos na si Mike.
Meron nang ini-encourage na siya. Hindi na siya sinasabihan kasi minsan may mga players na ang hilig mag-reach in. Pero nailalagay kayo sa alanganin eh. Nagiging detrimental dun sa defensive field.
15 points na para kay Mark Montuano. Babasa 10 kalamangan dito. A little bit of momentum here para sa Val City. And Chris Porter says, okay, I got this. 13 puntos na rin. off the bench.
Oo.
They need stops though.
Ito naman yung mahirap. If Batangas is winning by 11, parang ang lamang niyan mga 15 points sa Delphi. Kasi they melt the clock.
And score like that.
Oo.
De La Virgen.
Wala pa rin.
Ochea, another offensive rebound. And
He's feeling it.
Valoria from the corner. And these offensive rebounds are just hurting Valenzuela.
Napaganda pa. And again,
Para sa Batangas, yun lamang sila. By plus 11 din sila sa rebounding and MJ De La Virgen.
finally. May lamang
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX.
Yeah, Don Ochea. Di pa rin tapos sa Delph.
Valenzuela, Ubalde. Layup is good. 87-71. City Mayor Beverly Rose de Macua, Congressman Marvy Marino, Vice Mayor Eliza de la Cruz, and ABC President Angelito Don de Macua. And what a backup. Gets it to CJ. Another three.
There you go. You know, this is a good practice for a preparation for CJ's.
Ito importante. Layup. Yes. The final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta end.